If you ever wished for one SEO tool that does everything website analysis, on page SEO, competitor research, keyword tracking, and more, then this video is for you. Today, I will show you all in one SEO powerhouse that can literally level up your website ranking. So, let's start and see how it works. When you first time visit on the website, just click on try for free button and you will be taken straight into the main dashboard. Here, you can see all the features, SEO audit, website analytics, keyword research, competitor analysis, rank tracking, and so much more. We will explore each of them one by one. Right now, we are using the 7-day free trial, which anyone get, and I will be testing this with my one of my friends' website. So this is like a website built on Blogger, so we will test with this. So let's start with the competitor analysis tool. This is one of my favorite tool here. So if we go to the competitor analysis here, we can enter our keyword and we can see the competitor insights from here. So he posts more about Web3 and AI. So I think vibe coding is related to this. So we can just search for vibe coding tools and we have option to select country. If we are targeting some country, we can just select from here like United States and lot more. So we can just click on analyze button here, and now you can see here it will take like 10 to 20 seconds. The tool will now scan the web and show you top competitors currently ranking for the keyword that we enter. It usually takes around 10 or 20 seconds to process, so we can just wait here for this process to complete. And here you can see we are now in the computer analysis section. You can see insights like average word count, number of images, page speed, domain authority. For example, the top site here is medium.com with DA of 90, followed by Reddit, Zapier, UXplanet, and lot more. Let's open some website to see their score and other things. So let's open Reddit from here. It's ranked 2 for this keyword. And now when we open this website, and you can see here it says with only for 84 words on the page, which is below than average, but it still ranks because of its high authority, which is like 92. You can even check its backlink, heading structure, and other detail like H1 and H4s. And now let's check for the Zapier. This one has over 5,700 words, which is way above average with a DA of 82. You can also view the meta description, internal external links, and core web vitals. So this feature gives you clear idea of what your competitions are doing, how many words are they using, how many images they add, and how their SEO structure looks like. Once you understand that, you can easily optimize your own content to match them or beat them. Next up, we have got three amazing features here: keyword research, website analysis, and on page SEO. Let's start one by one. So, we can start with on page SEO tool. All we need is a website URL. So, I will copy one of my friend's blog post. He writes about AI and Web3. So, we can open any post from here. So, I think Vibe Working Agent post may be great fit for this. So, we can just open this post and copy the link. And now we will go back to our tool, and now you can see here we will just paste this URL in the primary keyboard. We can type vibe working tool, and we have option to add secondary keyword, which is optional. Then we click on analyze the page, and now you can see here tool started to scanning our page. And here's our SEO analysis summary. You can instantly see if URL contains your main keyword and how your title meta descriptions are performing and what needs improvement. It even gives AI based SEO tips like include your primary keyword at the starting of the URL, keep it under 60 words, use hyphens instead of underscores. Super helpful if you are new to new to SEO. I mean, next we have got detailed breakdown showing what well optimized, what needs minor fixes, and what has a critical issues. For example, it points out missing external links in the introduction, heading structure issues, and even the images optimization tips, like using at least three relevant images for every 2,000 words. It also checks your internal links, domain authority, and gives a full health score for your SEO, for your page SEO. And now let's move to website analytics section. Again, just paste your website URL, and within seconds, you will get metrics like domain authority, page authority, spam score, and external links breakdown. Since this is a new website, the DA is just 4, and PA is around 17, which is normal. And we can see the spam score, which is like -1. And if you scroll down more, you will find root domain links. Like we have all the guide here, we have external links breakdown, and we can see all analytics from here. And we can see last scrolled here tag sites, and we can see all of these details from here. Now we can just move to keyword research tool. This one helps you find winning keywords with detailed metrics. For example, if we search for vibe coding and we can select the country, we can just keep it United States, and now it shows the search volume and all of that stuff. So I think it's might be error here, so we can See, it says keyword difficulty 0 because it's searched for vibes up coupon something which we not say to do. So we can just scroll and see if we have keyword research for vibe coding. So here we can see we have monthly searches of 74,000 I think, and we can just click on this to get full analysis. And you can see here keyword difficulty is 28%, and if we go to the search volume, which is like more than 1 lakhs plus searches every day, or you can say 100,000 plus searches every day. You also have rank tracking feature that connects to your Google Search Console, so you can monitor your keyword positions over time. And one of my favorite options, fix SEO issues in bulk with AI. You can upload simple CSV file and it automatically detect missings or weak SEO fields like title and descriptions, then gives you AI generated suggestions to fix them. Now, if you want to go premium, they offer a 7-day free trial, and after that, pricing starts at $30 per month or $300 per year if you buy the annual plan. So overall, this is like incredible all-in-one SEO toolkit, perfect for like bloggers, marketer, or even the freelancers who manage the client sites. If you want to try, I will add the link of this website in description box below. And if you would like to more videos on like SEO tools or digital marketing growth, drop a comment below. I will make sure to cover them next. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.